In occupied Kashmir, Hurriyat leaders and organizations have expressed deep regret that despite the passage of over 3 decades, victims of the Kunan Poshpora mass rape have not been provided justice. According to Kashmir Media Service, Indian troops had gang raped around 100 women of all ages from 8 to 80 on the night of 23rd February in 1991 during a siege and search operation in Kunan Poshpora area of the Kupwara district. All parties Hurriyat conference has condemned the upsurge in cordon and search operations and house raids as well as snatching of the properties and sacking of the employees under undeclared martial law imposed by the Modi-led Hindutva government of India in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said the Indian military and the police establishment were undemocratically ruling the occupied Kashmir and suppressing the Kashmiri people. Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front has paid tribute to its chairman Mohammad Yasin Malik on the completion of his 5 years in illegal detention in the Indian jails. According to Kashmir Media Service, JKLF chief spokesperson Mohammad Rafiq Dar in a statement issued in Islamabad today said that the Indian authorities arrested Yasin Malik from his residence in 2019 and sent him to the Jammu jail under the Public Safety Act. A skier has been killed and another had been gone missing after an avalanche hit the famous skiing destination Gulmarg. According to Kashmir Media Service, an avalanche hit a group of the foreigner skiers in the Baramulla district. Srinagar-Jammu highway, the only surface link connecting the Kashmir Valley with the rest of the world, remained closed after the fresh landslide in the Ramban district. Current situation in the occupied Kashmir came under discussion when the delegation of the Kashmir Email Forum visited the office of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter in Islamabad today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the delegation was apprised of the escalation in the human rights violations after the abrogation of Article 370 by the fascist Modi government.